everyone, welcome back. If the TD Canada Trust app is not working on your phone, do not worry. This is a common issue and usually easy to fix. So, first check your internet connection and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the app loads. Then, make sure that you're connected to a stable internet connection if you cannot switch to data. Next, make sure your phone software is up to date as older system versions can cause app problems. After that, head over to your App Store or Play Store, search for the TD Bank app, and then make sure to update the app. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so always update your app to the latest version. After that, if the issue continues, restart your phone or to refresh the system processes. As the last step, go ahead and long press on the TD Bank app icon and then remove the app, then delete the app. After deleting it, head to the App Store, search for the app and reinstall it from there. After reinstalling it, open the app and log in again, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.